just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. As per usual, doing several things. Canna is going. I've lined this dish with pastry. It's the same dish that I use for making the pear and apple pie. But this time, I'm going to use the plum jam I made, together with some pears out of my garden. So that's plums out the garden, made into jam, pears from the tree out the garden. So, nice. You can make this with any fruit jam you've got, same as any thing you've got, pears, peaches, apples, whichever, but I think I'm going to use pears. Nice seal. And just pull them out and lay them on top. Because these are canned in a light syrup, they will be perfectly fine in this. I'm just trying to lay them out fairly pretty. There's only me and Lurch, so although I could fit some more pears in here, I'm not going to. Nice big plump one in the middle. One let move them over a bit and fit it in. And on top of it, I showed you the other week this molasses sugar I got, just sprinkling bits of it. Because they don't really need sweetening. There's a lot of sugar in the jam itself, so you don't need to add loads of sugar to it. And that's it. Pack of sultanas. Just add a few sultanas to it. So you don't need a full pack, obviously. Just so I think it adds to the flavour. And some crushed walnuts. So it's very similar to the pear and apple pie. That's it. make it a bit different. It's a tart, and a tart I believe is because it's open. So I'm going to try and smear plum jam just around the edge a bit. Just a bit, and then I'm just going to roll it in on itself. And then I'm going to put this in the oven, same as I did with the apple pie, until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. Pear and plum tart. Won't cut it now because, as you can see, it's bubbling. It's just come out of the oven. So now it's time to do a mass clean up in the kitchen. Bye.
It's a